Hey everyone, welcome to Second Opinion. I'm Alex and today I'm here to tell you ASUS Philippines is set to launch one of their most premium laptops on March 23 and we already have our hands on it. The ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482. One thing we can say for sure, after all the products ASUS has released this year, it keeps getting better and better. Now let's take a look at this thing. Here's our box. Upon opening in this pocket, you'll find the laptop sleeve. Now let's take out this box. Here's our laptop, but let's take a look at that later. Here's a laptop stand. We have the user guide, warranty card, and the My ASUS guide. We also have a stylus pen. Lastly, the charger. Now let's go back to the laptop. The ZenBook Duo 14's chassis and lid are composed of magnesium aluminum alloy that complement the elegant celestial blue finish. The laptop weighs just 1.6 kilos and is 16.9 millimeters thick, which is 50 grams lighter and 3 millimeters thinner than the previous generation. For the ports, on the left we have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C and a full-size HDMI 1.4. While on the right we have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, audio jack, and a micro SD card reader, although I wish it was an SD card instead. And lastly, Harman Kardon for its speakers. Now let's get to the main part. Up front, the ZenBook Duo 14 features a frameless Nano Edge FHD display that allows for a 93% screen-to-body ratio. Below it is the new tilting ScreenPad Plus, a secondary screen that automatically tilts up to an angle of 7 degrees, which should help reduce glare and reflections for improved readability. As seen, it also features an ergo lift hinge made of a durable zinc alloy that is capable of lifting the laptop by 4.5 degrees, and ScreenPad Plus to a more ergonomic angle. ASUS engineered this laptop with the new Active Aerodynamic System Plus, which uses the ergo lift hinge mechanism and tilting ScreenPad Plus to increase the overall cooling airflow by 49%. ScreenPad Plus is powered by the new Screen Expert 2 software, which has been upgraded to make cross-screen multitasking and creativity even easier. With the ScreenPad, the keyboard has moved lower, taking away the space where you can rest your wrist, and you'll find the trackpad on the right. As a left-handed person, this might be a big adjustment, but we'll find out on our full review, so make sure to stay tuned for that. This ScreenPad Plus would work well with the ASUS pen that came with it. This is a 2nd Gen 4096 pressure level active stylus. Under the hood, this laptop contains an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 GPU. It features a 16GB memory and up to 1TB of storage. This device also features Wi-Fi 6 and ASUS Wi-Fi Master Premium technology. On the top of the screen is an IR camera that supports Windows Hello for a hands-free login with Face Unlock. This device sports a 70-watt-hour battery capacity paired with a 65-watt charger. Its battery life is expected to last up to 17 hours, but we'll find out more about this on our full review. So that's it. That was our unboxing and first impressions of the ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482. As mentioned, ASUS is yet to launch this on March 23 on their official Facebook page, so make sure to stay tuned because they also have a bunch of giveaways up for grabs, and you'll see the full mechanics down below, where you may also comment if you have any questions. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.